welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can use mods on The Sims 4. Just go to options here, go to game options, go to, I think it's in other, and make sure this is enabled, and you can also enable this too. I'm just going to close this though, and I'm just going to apply changes because I already have the custom content. And here you can view the sort of you can view the custom content that you have on your Sims. As you can see, I do have some of them that are duplicates, but that doesn't matter. Apply changes, and if I go and select new game, there will be the custom content. Just going to go straight ahead to it and go to the outfit. And as you can see, these are some of the custom content that I have. Maybe let's go to dresses. Let's see. This one is a custom content. This one too. And also this one, as you can see, this one is custom content. You just apply it to the person. To change the hair, you just go to their profile and find the custom content that you downloaded. So you can change the person's hair here. There's a few that you can choose from. Maybe this one, brown hair or something. I'm not sure if you can change the hairband for it. But that's pretty much how you can use custom content on in The Sims 4. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!